Hey, what is up guys? Arturo FM here. So today we're going to be covering how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. This is going to be our first team and we're going to build the foundation from here. We're going to create channels. We're going to do a bunch of stuff, everything that you can do with Teams. So let's go to my screen real quick and see how you can actually create one. So I'm using the paid version. If you're using the free version, then you may have less icons here on the left side because you're going to have less functionality. However, the basic functions are included into Microsoft Teams. So click on Create Team here, and then we're gonna name it, and I'm gonna say accounting, then description, I don't know, accounting people maybe, and then private. So private, you'll be adding your teammates manually. Public, then everyone from your organization will be able to join, as long as they have the same email address. You know, the at, for example, at publix.com, at arturofm.com. So what comes after that? For now, we're gonna set it private because this is for our friends only and we only want friends here. So now, how do you customize your channel? So you have two ways to customize your channel for now. You can change the picture or you can change the name. It's super simple. So if you go here to the name here, so let's change the name, the image. I choose this one because why not? Now if you see it loading for a little bit, just leave it there. If it takes more than 1 minute, click escape and then do it again, because it just happened to me. So anyway, this is your first team. That's it. That's how you create a team. Now, how you can involucrate people here, how you can invite people is very simple. You click here and then you can click on add member. And then here you can start typing the name or a group that the person belongs to. If you're working for a company, then Microsoft Teams is going to be set up in such a way that you can just start typing the name, for example, Arturo, and it will come up here. Now, what you're seeing here is a couple of members of my organization. I'm using a license from a school, therefore, everything on my school organization is going to be populating here. In your case, it's going to be either your school or your corporate organization. So that's pretty simple, right? Now, once you add some members there, you can continue to customize it by creating a tag for the team. You can add a channel. We're going to be talking about that later. You can also manage the team, and here you'll be able to manage all the members. You can see here the team members that have requested access to this team, so you can approve or deny it. You can also see the channels that are here. We're going to be covering that later. Here you have all the settings, you have the picture, you have the permissions, for example, all members to create and update the channel. You don't want that. Allow members to delete and restore channels. You also don't want that. So go through all these settings here and see what your channel needs, because most of them are a global privilege that you don't want to have there. It's a very basic customization. Enable channel creation. This is going to be grayed out as default because this is for guests and we don't have any. Mentions. Choose who can use team members and channel permissions. So yes, you definitely want to keep this. Show members the option to team. These add team would mean that, for example, I'm a member. I'm not the owner of this channel. I'm a regular member, and I use this function here, add team. That means that I will be calling out everyone included in that team. So it's up to you, the creator of this channel, to allow this function to take place here. So this is how it will look. If you type that inside a channel here, it will call everyone on that team. I don't think that's a good idea. I'll leave it up to you if you want to implement it or not. So give member the option add channel. This will notify everyone who's mentioned in the channel. So this add team is going to be everyone for the team. So if you have 500 channels and someone does add team, everyone in those 500 channels is going to be notified. I don't think that's a good idea. Now add channel is different. I think that this could be a good implementation. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to unselect this one and leave this one selected. All right, team code. So share the code with people that can join the team directly. Yes, we want to do that. Now this code here is going to be what they're going to be using to join your channel. So instead of you manually approving, they can use that code to join your team. Very simple. Of course, if the code is misplaced, if the code is copied, you can just reset it here and it will go to a random alphanumeric character. Actually, that's not an alphanumeric character, it's just a string. Anyway, so fun stuff. Let's get into the fun stuff. Here, a lot of emojis. So of course, we want a lot of emojis. Filter inappropriate content. I would say moderate is fine, definitely. Stickers, allowed. Custom memes, allowed. You want to keep your chat as fun as possible so people can feel at home. So tags, team owners can definitely tag stuff. So this is good here. Analytics. So here in your analytics, you're gonna have everything. You're gonna have how many users you have, how many apps you have, the total amount of data that specific team has consumed. So for example, if I'm a team member, not the admin, and I upload a file, you'll be able to see here how much storage I have consumed. Also here you can see the post, the reply, the mentions. You can navigate through all this. It's pretty simple. Here are the active users, top inactive channels. This is pretty cool because you want to keep your team as organized as possible and definitely have some channels that are working and are not inactive. So here we're gonna get into this on another video. This is super exciting. Here you can integrate a bunch of applications into Microsoft Teams. You can integrate OneNote, forms. For example, you can do polls. You can do a task planner, to-do list. You can do timesheet. There's so many things you can do here. So we're gonna get into all this in a later video. But for now, this is the basics of how you can create a team in Microsoft Teams. So in the next video, we're going to be covering how to create channels, and you don't want to miss that. Subscribe for more if you like this video, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.